Alrighty guys, welcome back. Sorry I'm so entirely 10 minutes late, but we're here. We're here. We're ready to go. Turbo Tuesday, fastest day of the week, best day of the week. Let's get stuck into it. Let's get stuck into it. Oh shit, I need to get everything up still. Hectic day today, hectic day. How are we? How are we? Sorry. Get stuck into it in a second. Get that there. Need you slightly over here. Make sure you like the shit out of the stream. Actually, I haven't even got my like thingy out. Like thingy up. What up? What up, everyone? Hello, hello, hello. Why is it showing everyone who's joining? Like everyone who's coming in here, I can see. It's weird. I don't like that. It's okay. Come on, let's get it. Oh, Birchop, are you in here? No? Just sending a random emoji. What the hell? Alright. Let's get it. Birchop, were you in? Did you just send something in Kick? Or was that a while ago? What up anyway? How are we? Why is it staying? What up, Matt? Why is everything it's staying? What have I done? What are these settings? My phone was in back pocket. Ah, okay. What up, Mick? Welcome. This is really strange. How do we get rid of this? New viewers. Okay, there we go. Pulled out and I was watching Kick. Oh, true. Yeah, you sent a little emoji. Thank you very much for the heart me and the go popular. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for liking too, Matt and Birchop. How are we, Mick? How'd you go today? You already know what time it isn't. I unfortunately have these pieces of shit. Yuck, but we're gonna drink it. We're gonna drink it anyway. Look at GJ on the 5-minute pre-CPI. Took a fat honey pack. Let's have a look. Not it. Not it. Woo! Go down. Holy shit. It broke through. Oh, did it actually? I mean, that looks like it's to the pip. Let's go. Let's do one of these ones. Hesh, thank you very much for following me. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to go this far back. Just broke out of this week from 18th of July. Not by a whole fucking lot. So we'll see if it can continue or if it just takes that support. Resistance comes back down. Interesting. Interesting. Dean, good fucking morning to you. How are we? Mick and Dean already in there. Thoughts on Bitcoin? Are we talking like current price action, or are we talking... Fuck, I didn't take the money out last night. For Bitcoin. I wouldn't want to long it. Long term. If you're just getting in. If you're in, just hold forever. I have a sweaty fixation for you. Fuck you, I'm not lit. What the fuck? Bro, that video was so bad that you posted. So bad. Oh my god. Oh, you're talking to that guy, yeah. Oh, I didn't even read his name. Current? Well, we're not doing anything. Sideways for almost an entire day. Virtually no price action. So, yeah. Oh. There is a gap fill opportunity, so potentially short. Fill this gap up. But we seem to tap into just slightly into the gap and then continue. I'd say we'd probably be looking at filling that and then potentially a push, slight push up once gap fill. I'm not too sure, honestly. I don't really pay attention to how Bitcoin reacts to short-term gaps and price action, to be completely honest. Joel, I'm not a big crypto guy. The autism video? Yeah, it was pretty bad. TikTok, yeah, unfortunately that's how I found this fake trader. I know, bro. It's a hard life, having to fake everything. You know what, I actually watched an interesting video today. When I got home from the gym. It was about FX Alex G, and I would love to refer anyone who asks about this guy to that clip or that YouTube video. So I'm actually gonna pull it up. I'm gonna have to go on my history. Oh, it's probably, you probably could just search up FX Alex G exposed, to be honest, because yeah, it was a pretty in-depth video. Most of what this guy went through was stuff I already knew and had already seen before. However, it was a little bit more in-depth with everything and really painting the picture for how people can fake their shit, which is marvelously easy for people to do. So if you oh, thank you, Joel, for the heart me. I appreciate that. You know, if you aren't watching people live and you just see, the highlight reel, chances are they're probably faking their shit. Go check Tom and clips. Don't. Bro, I might have to buy views on that autism video so you get cancelled. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Thank you, bro. All sweet, no stress. Seen the clip. Which did you clip something to? What is this? Coke hit. My AK's jammed. Oh, I like this one. Love it. Wow, our viewers are non-existent right now. It's fucking amazing. Thank you, TikTok. Oh wait, Mick is Apple user, yeah. How did you not know this? I was calling him Apple user forever. And I just started calling him Mick. Bro, this was so nice moment. What? Where the fuck is everyone? You guys might have to jump over to TikTok to get us pumping, eh? Unfortunately, because holy shit, it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. Oh, okay, sweet. Dan's there. Fuck, man. Okay, thank you, TikTok. Thank you. I only took 10 minutes. Please help me. I can guarantee you it's because I'm drinking this piece of shit. Do you use TradingView? No, I use MetaTrader 4. I was actually having a look at, can I do double likes? Fuck, yeah, thank you. I was actually having a look at some indices earlier today because we had a absolute monster opening candle today. So was testing a couple things, fucking around with some code for potentially another EA, because I used to use an EA for opening range breakout, but obviously I would like to make my own for guys in the community. But it means lots and lots and lots and lots of testing. Like I'm talking fucking like hours a day. So I'm not really excited for that, but that's okay. We'll get it going. Can you send me $10 on Cash App, please? No. Old me would have taken that trade on GJ pre-London Open, but 90% of the time, you know how that goes on GJ. I don't know. I didn't take a trade today. It looks so ass. Yeah, it's been I actually had a pretty good day today. Last 2 days, we've done 0.58%. Last 2 days, and I am thinking about closing. Was thinking about closing this one out because we are about to hit TP. But I'm kind of happy with this. We had a break, we had a little retest. Now we're on our continuation. There are a few levels around here that I'm a little bit concerned about, but we should be able to get down to TP. So I want to pull out early on this one, but see, we're a slither away from TP. Surely we come and just at least tap it in this gap on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Surely we tap into this gap. Yeah, we're getting some pretty strong movement. I'm happy to leave this here as it is. We just filled this 5 minute gap that's been sitting here for ages. Oh, I didn't see that. Close that one out. Close you out. Fuck it. There we go. So that would have been, so we'd be at about 0.8 for this week already, which is what we did last week entirely. So we're off to a good start. Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. Let's fucking get it. You living in Australia or Dubai? Australia for now. I just took a short on pound yen. What do you think? Well, we just were having a look at pound yen. We'll have a look at that in a second. Do you set stop losses? No, I do not. US, what was it, pound yen? Yeah, it's not a bad trade. It's not a bad trade. I would be shorting this if I traded pound yen. Not just yet, but not just yet. I'd be waiting for a tiny bit more confirmation than my bot would get me in. So it's not the worst trade. However, obviously mine is, oh shit! Christopher sent a cap. Thank you very much, bro. That's fucking awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. So I'd just be waiting for a tiny bit more confirmation to get in, but obviously I only allocate 0.25% of my account to any single trade. So yeah, it's a very strong though. We are very well overdue for a pullback, significant pullback. So if you're going to be taking this, last week's high, 23.6 fib, it's probably a good spot. I wouldn't want to test it and go any further than that, to be honest. You got lots of levels up here though. But the thing is, this is just such a fucking enormous move that, you know, a pretty significant pullback is due at some point. But you never know, these fucking yen pairs can go on forever. That's why I don't like them. What's your predictions on US dollar for CPI? I got no predictions, to be honest. I believe they're more focused on employment, so probably be waiting for that, but you know, CPI is always pretty big. Yeah, I don't even know. We're gonna have to wait and see. I'll have a think about that. Are you taking your missus to the Eka? I'm not. No. She's in Japan. Thank you very much again, Christopher, for the cap. That's fucking sick. PHI, what's up? Bienvenue. Thank you very much for following me. Saw my old best mate before he went to uni. This guy thinks he knows all about stocks, but nothing about trading. Just spent an hour in the gym, just chatting about trading. He had like 4 people come and ask me about it. Really? I feel like I'm gonna become a regular thing now. 3 days on the bounce, talking about trading in the gym. Yeah, fuck that. That happened to me a couple of times with people in the gym. Once, you know, one person found out, then they all talk and then they ask. But I don't speak to anyone in the gym anymore. For a couple of reasons. If I can make 1K in 1 day out of 5 days a week, should I always wait for the perfect setup? Or should I always take the 500 plus minus trades? Hold on. If I could make 1,000 in 1 day out of 5 days a week, should I always wait for the perfect setup? There's no such thing. I mean, your perfect setup maybe, but yeah. Or should I also take the 500 plus minus trades? Are you talking about like trades that might not be 100% your setup and you still want to take them? It's like flies to shit, yeah. Arda JC, thank you very much for following me. Where are you located? Brisbane, Australia. Broker, Black Bull Markets, links in my bio. 1 to 500 leverage, Aussies, regulated, fucking best broker you can get if you're Aussie. JB, thank you very much for following me. We're getting some followers. if we can have a really big stream today, we can maybe hit the 5K. We can maybe hit the 5K. No judgment, but that's unprofitability speaking. Yeah. If it's there, you take it, and if it's not, don't. Simple. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, if your setup's not there, that's why, I use an expert advisor. Almost every single one of my trades are taken if the setup's there. If it's not there, I don't take it. So, only make sure that your setup's there. It's game of probabilities, Backtest your strategy a million times. See if the strategy, isn't entirely there, but you got a couple of confirmations, see if that'll work. I can make money on demo, but I don't know if I should risk on the days when I know there's not going to be 500 plus trades. Fair enough. How's your journey going? Good. My journey's fantastic. Always learning, always adapting, always doing new things, having fun, talking shit. That's what we're doing here. Matty D, thank you very much for following me. Thoughts on micro golf futures, micro gold futures? I don't trade futures at all. I only trade CFDs, so talking to the wrong guy. I swing trade mostly, so days to weeks, the majority of my trades are in. Futures expire, so can't take that risk. What's up, bro? What up, Nate? Welcome back. Can anyone in the chat see my message I sent? There might be some... TikTok might be filtering it. Plus, I don't know, something just weird happened and a lot of my settings just got reset. Oh no, nothing. No, you should be right. You should be right. That depends on the strat. You should be trading the same as you are on demo. And if you're not, that's where the problems are. Likelihood and psychological. I agree. Fuck, my head hurts. Jesus. Ow. Sup, I'm interested in trading and located in Australia to Brisbane. Mad. I want to learn skill. Advice. Don't listen to the bullshit you see online because it's almost all fake. Focus on the process over the profits and use a demo account for as long as possible until you are competent and confident. What's your biggest win recently? I haven't taken any like massive big trades, everything's pretty standard. We had a big month last month. We did 13.93%. I'd say that's a pretty big win. But I think it was March, we did 22%. So that was probably my biggest win, was the end of the month, making that. Started actually entering trades yesterday. Paper trading, nice, good job. We love that. Thank you very much for the rose also, Mr. No Name. I appreciate that a lot. Make sure you guys are liking the fuck out of the stream. Matt, 1.3. Dean, or my Dean, yes, 593. Dean again, 541. Leon for Fang, 410. Crushner Julian, 152. Birchop, 66. User 1344545 36. Nate 5. Matt 4. Thank you guys very much. Make sure you double tap the shit out of the screen. TikTok likes it. TikTok likes it. What's this daily ranking? I need 46,000 diamonds to reach 99 in the fucking daily rankings. How cooked is that? The other thing is that the majority of these people, right, they've all got agencies and they're paying the fucking agencies to pay them. Sheesh! shit, we got some more roses. 18 more roses. Thank you very much. That is very, very kind of you. How much do you make a month? On average, it's about 7.5 to 8% of my account. I don't talk money. Bro said his head hurts and washes it down with the Monster. No. This is why my head hurts. It's only V. I probably have a caffeine headache, like I haven't had enough. How do you get demo account and where? You need a broker. So you got to sign up for a broker, free, and then open up a demo account on the platform that you want to. I use MetaTrader 4, use TradingView. They're the two big ones. The Nike and Adidas of trading. Where are you from though? Touchdown. Chicken dinner. Winner, chicken dinner. Oh shit, we got more. We got 24 roses. 24 more roses and a heart puff. Do you have a username? Jet. Thank you very much, Jet. That's super, super kind of you, bro. I appreciate it. What's the reason for not setting stop losses? Well, my strategy, I don't need to. So I trade kind of the opposite to the majority of retail traders. What? Oh, man, I'm not even gonna rant right now, but I was about to. And 8 more roses. Thank you very much. We're raking in the roses. Let's pop a flare too. Let's get this shit rolling. Let's get it rolling. Tier 3, boom. Fuck! Too many people are using New Zealand, bro. Use Black Bull Markets. The link's in my bio. They're from New Zealand. They're based in New Zealand. That's what I use. Where are you from? Brisbane? And I'll get hot up Atkinson or Sam. Oh, just give me a second. Is there one-on-one courses or school around Brisbane that teaches trading? Yeah, there are schools, I believe, and places that you can go. I don't know what they're called. I did everything online. Yeah, if you want to do like face-to-face shit, you'd have to search around, maybe Google it. And yeah, so my strategy, basically what I do is I prepare for when stuff goes wrong, right? So let's just get this New Zealand dollar, US dollar trade, for example. And this is why we don't trade futures either. So we had on, what was this? Wednesday last week, we had a large extension in the market. Now I've developed an expert advisor, which is a trading bot, to enter in the position when my conditions are favorable, right? So when I've put my inputs in that I want for when my setup is there, the bot will take a trade, right? So regardless of emotion or anything, we take a trade. So we got one here. Hold on, let me see if I can maybe zoom this in a little bit. There we go. There you guys can see a little bit better. So we had an extension, a little bit of a pullback, and we entered into a position. Now, usually people, you know, we've got a bunch of highs here. Usually people would put a stop above those highs. What happened? We would have got stopped out. So we drop the risk all the way down and we scale into our positions when they go the opposite direction. So it's gone in the opposite direction. It's continued on its swing. We had a little bit of a flag break, but it wasn't enough. So we come back up, another one, and then we shot up again. This is fine. We do not worry about this. So what we've done is we've entered another short in preparation that the market's going to have a pullback at some point. We did get our pullback. Our break-even level would have been around about here. It says it's here because I took this trade off first and then this one, so I put my break-even level to up here. But anyway, our break-even level would have been about here. So we only need, when we scale into our positions, it brings our break-even level up, so we only need a small pullback to either hit break-even or get out with profit. So I just took this position off just before. So our TP was here, just above this gap fill, and I took it off, I don't know, somewhere around here because we were really close to TP and it was rejecting off of this 5-minute gap, which it ended up doing. So we took out about here, and it ended up slightly rejecting off of this. So just wanted to get out, been in it for, you know, almost a week, and yeah, take profit, easy, done. So that's why we don't use stop losses, because we don't, you know, we would have got stopped out there. If we did another one, probably would have got stopped out again. So instead of losing 2 trades, we've actually won 2 just by scaling in when it trends in the opposite direction. And I do this on 18 separate currencies concurrently. I teach all of my strategy, why, how it works, everything, and my mentorship linked in the bio, $47 a month. You just said $2 in roses? Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Honestly, thank you. I really appreciate that a lot. Let me just check kick. Oh, fucking hell. You guys have been yapping. Do I need to read that? Can you guys just put it in kick if I need to read all of that? Because fuck me, there's a lot. I think you guys are just yapping to each other. Oh shit, is demo trading the same as paper trading? Yes. Bro is retail, bro is begging for donations, GG. Oh, please tell me you have a face, please. I trade money. That's definitely not him. This guy's obviously got a fake profile picture. Okay. Sure, I'm retail, but I trade, I mean, obviously I'm a retail trader, but I trade different to every other retail trader. And yeah, begging for donations, yeah. Keep them coming. I would love to have a conversation with you. Touchdown, thank you very much for following me. Do you trade Forex? Yes. Toya, thank you for following me. How much is your capital? I do not tell people. How much lots you put in a trade? It depends. That's calculated based on my capital, 0.25%, and it's different on the majority of instruments because it's calculated a few different ways. It's calculated with my take profit and a fake stop loss as well. Can you also set your AI to sell at a certain point? No. But you can set limit orders, right? Like if you want to sell it at a certain point, you can do additional limit orders. What broker are you using? Blackbull Markets. Tihor Mamor, thank you very much for following me. US 30, you can have a look at it. I'm gonna start, man, I'm so out of touch with the indices, eh? It's been a while. I mean, we're pre-market. There's not a lot going on right now. And we got CPI. So who fucking knows? Who knows? Is there a name for the strategy you use? I mean, it's kind of like a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. So we use those. There isn't a specific, I mean, there might be one out there, but you know, I don't fucking know. Call it Tom's amazing chiseled jawline strategy. Call it, this strategy actually fucking works. How much are you up on the year? We did rough calculation. I was meant to calculate. Actually, I don't really fucking care. I said I would yesterday, but I didn't. But it was, I can't remember. Was it? I think it was around 60% for the year. Here he actually is. Yes. Fory King. gonna say Forex King. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Is this your full-time job? Yep. Taj Tails? What? Tom's amazing jaw. Wait, jawline strategy. Yes, I like it. Tom's amazing jawline strategy. Yes. Forest King, same shit. Yeah, nah, you're good. You're good. You're good. We got some viewers and we don't even have a fucking flare on. You guys didn't even tell me on Kick if I got a fucking... I trade the opposite way, or are you guys just talking to each other? Hold up, let me read some of it. Okay, yeah, you guys are just yapping to each other, I think. Alright, yeah, you guys are. If you can go back to the beginning, what are the mistakes you won't do in trading? That is a fantastic question. That's a fantastic question. Now, what mistakes? So, a lot of my mistakes ended up, I mean, everything kind of ended up in success in the end, right? So me somewhat continuing my mistakes, not necessarily continuing my mistakes, but let's just say, for example, learning off of the internet, right? I didn't really stop ever, which was a kind of a downfall, but was in the end what kind of made this possible, right? So I was obviously looking at multiple different mentors. Like I had multiple different mentors, multiple different courses, tried multiple different strategies, all of that shit, and none of them worked because they were all bullshit. And I kind of figured out that pretty much all of them were bullshit. So I ended up finding someone on the internet who wasn't full of shit, which I just got lucky after a year and a half of doing the same thing. So, yeah, you just, fuck. Because that was my biggest hindering factor, was learning from idiots online who didn't know what they were talking about, but they sell the lifestyle. It was probably, so one of the mistakes that, actually this is a good one. So the mistake that I wouldn't have chosen to do was watch the flashy guys and think, you know, these guys know something that I don't in trading. Which, you know, I was just naive. EU Open, London Open, manipulation into breaker. At least you use Fib. TJR final boss, trader strat. Oh, Tom, TJR dropped a psychology vid yesterday and there's content that is of value. Really? Interesting. Might have to watch it. Sam Atkinson, thank you very much for following me too. What kept you driven throughout your journey, and were there times you genuinely wanted to quit? That is a fucking amazing question. I love that. What kept you driven? Well, discipline's a big thing, right? You gotta be disciplined. So, driven is a difficult word because a lot of the time, I guess I was driven, but I'm thinking more like motivated. Discipline definitely played a big part in it because there are just so many So many days. I mean, even now, there's just so much shit that I gotta do that, you know. Bro, I don't want to fucking go to the gym, right? I go to the gym every day. Like today, for example, I was just sitting here and I was just like, fuck, I should just have a day off. Like, I should just not go to the gym. You know what I had to do? I have this thing, right? If I really genuinely do not want to, that's when I absolutely have to. So discipline played like a huge part in that when it came to like learning and everything. Obviously the journey was quite long, and I'm still learning shit and I'm still evolving. I'm still doing new things, like, you know, with the community and everything. There's always new stuff to learn. But I was always driven by money is so unbelievably important, right? So unbelievably important. Like you don't need all the money in the world, right? There's obviously a threshold where it doesn't really matter, but you want to have money and freedom. I hated fucking working. There is nothing more that got me like so mad about having to wake up every day and go to some shit job and just live this shit fucking lifestyle. I wasn't content with that lifestyle. I just couldn't do it. So, you know, whenever I wanted to give up or whatever, you just got to think about, well, if you don't do this, if you don't at least try and figure it out, you're going to be fucking working for the rest of your life for some shit company with a shit boss, with people that, you know, don't actually fucking like you. It's just, I don't know if I've told the story about what happened with the girl that I worked with, and I'll probably tell this story a few times throughout my time on the internet, because this really set the tone for the way I think about working and everything. So I was 18, 19, and I was working in sales for like an insurance company, right? And it was a big call center. It was fucking shit. Anyway, so what happened was the chick that was sitting next to me went into the bathroom. She came back out and she was like, oh, someone's like in there making all these weird noises, like moaning and groaning and shit. And I was like, oh, what the fuck? And then we just like went on with our day, right? Ambulance fucking came. She had an aneurysm and she died, right? So next day, everyone's still at work and everything. A lot of people had, you know, the time off, and there was, you know, an announcement and whatever. A week later, no one gave shit. Like, it was like nothing ever happened. And, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know. They just don't really care about you, these companies. You find some companies and some people in companies that do genuinely care, but, you know, that kind of set the tone for whether or not I wanted to actually get out and do my own thing or not. And I always had like a, you know, business mind back then too, but I was more career driven. And now, you know, I'm more entrepreneurial driven, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that was really fucked up. I don't know if anyone really listened to that, but yeah, it's kind of fucked up. And that, you know, it was just an accumulation of lots of things that kept me going. CPI gold prediction, I don't trade gold. Karim Abdul-Tastic ML Lycan. Thank you guys very much for following me. Fuck, my nose is itchy, and no, I'm not on drugs. How much money have you made so far? Millions and millions and billions. Anas. Thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Welcome back. What are you trading right now? I'm in lots of pairs. I'm in lots of pairs. Euro New Zealand, Euro CAD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, I just took profit on. Pound, US dollar, I'm still in. Pound CAD, Euro pound, US dollar CAD, Euro USD. Actually, let's have a look at Euro USD real quick. We're kind of double bottoming. That was me, that was you. Fuck. So my TP was slightly above here, but I just chucked it up here to just before the stream. Just in case we were gonna tap off of this gap again, but we ended up gap filling. So we might have a continuation back down to maybe yesterday's low, down in these levels down here. Which doesn't really matter, it's only a single entry. We've been in it since yesterday, it doesn't really bother me, but yeah, I just dropped the TP just so I could get out of that one nice and early. Because, you know, I don't always like having too much exposure before something like a big news event, CPI. But it's okay. Hold up. That was great to listen to, brother. All sweet. I'm hopping off, but I'm grateful to hop on these lives. Bro, thank you very much. To ask questions, get quality responses. No worries, that's what I'm here for. I respond to absolutely everyone. So, yeah. All good. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. And I appreciate the good questions, too. Let me go to Kick. Should I order some fake McDonald's? Fake McDonald's? Clearly it's targeted at unprofitable people, but it's more about like mindset shift. He talks about discipline and manifestation quite a bit. Good. Tom, I don't know if I mentioned about my brother working as billionaire's personal bodyguard out in the Bahamas. I think you did mention that before, like a while ago. I think you did mention that. I started last Friday down in London for the guy's 50th birthday. On Saturday, let him drive a Rolls Royce Spectre to pick him up from Heathrow. It's PJ, Jesus. Brother said that sort of money is ridiculous, like it looks so fake. Yeah. That's fucking cool though. I mean, that's pretty fucking cool, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, crazy. That's fucking mad. Get him to hook you up. What do you recommend for investments? I don't really do long-term investments. Have you ever looked into meme coin trading, or do you think those are all purely luck and insider trading? I've been in the trenches on Pump.Fun and everything. Before I started doing this, I was bored, and you know, there's big hype around it. I'm pretty sure it was like October or something last year, maybe September. And I was just fucking around and wanting to see what it was all about. And yeah, it's just, so there's so many algorithms and everything that can just pump and dump shit, if that's what you're talking about. The bigger ones are a little bit different, but yeah, any of these small coins, it's all insider trading and luck. Yeah. What do you think of Kita? I don't know what that is. Crypto boxing. Thank you very much for following me. You do crypto? No, I have some crypto long term. Yeah. To ask a question. All right. Yep. Sell, bro. Sell what? Cannabis stocks. Oh. Yeah. Nah. I got. Wait. Is that what? Wait. What? I don't fucking know what's going on. And all because he jokingly asked the billionaire's assistant whether she's offering any jobs whilst being on holiday in Cape Verde. Fucking hell. We take those W's. Could be a more ridiculous way to get it. Yeah. Yeah, that's fucking crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Congratulations to him, but. Oh dear Lord, we're gonna have the fucking fireworks go off soon. It's gonna turn into fucking Iraq soon. Your USD sell to RS. The fuck is RS? R/S. I'm in buys on your USD. Which fuck, I would actually like to get out of this, not gonna lie. God damn it, we needed the smallest bit. I should have fucking known. I should have paid attention to this, but I didn't. I could still get out of this in profit. I'm still in profit. Nah. I'll leave it be. Where's my, what are we in? I'm just gonna hide screen real quick. Hold up. Oh, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're in 2.14% drawdown right now. I'll screenshot all the pairs. Actually, now that I've taken, what was it? New Zealand dollar, US dollar? Hello? Where the fuck did that just go? The fuck? Oh shit, that would have been bad. Yeah, I'm not too worried about Euro USD. I'm only in one position, so we'll just leave it. I would love to get a little bit more exposure. On a couple of pairs in the next couple of days, just to bump up our profits for the month, because we're only sitting at fuck all, which is annoying. It's kind of my fault. We would be on target if I didn't do drawdown control on the 1st of the month. I think it was the 1st. Oh, for fuck's sake, that's the VPS. Yeah, it was the 1st of the month. I did some drawdown control, so I took a little loss at the very start of the month. I had to. Well, I didn't have to, but it was the smart. Fuck. There's one-on-one into, wait. Yeah, next month he's going with him to Paris for LV Fashion Week. I think the billionaire just got my brother. See how middle-class people would appreciate that wealthy environment. Jesus. There's one-on-one interview with the guy who was out on his yacht in the Bahamas popping champagne after closing a $700 million deal on another hotel. Fucking hell. Who is he? Get the hookups. So figures so far, we're doing alright. It's a bit slow, but we're still on target for a normal month. We're still on target for a normal month. Persian trader, best trader. Fair enough. I'm from Ghana. I want to become a profitable trader. Okay. Welcome, welcome. You winning, mate? Always, always, brother, always. We've had pretty good, done 0.8% last 2 days. So, we take that. We've literally, done our entire last week's profit in 2 days. It's not even fucking New York yet. We still got a shitload to go. So, I'm in a couple of positions. We're sitting in 2.14% drawdown, which is just absolutely nothing. I would love to see a little bit more exposure, maybe a couple more trades on these euros and pounds, which we'll probably get. It'd be nice to close out these CADs and these US dollars tonight, get them out of the way, and then add on to a few of these. Probably, I mean, the only ones we'd probably be doing is pound Aussie dollar and pound New Zealand dollar, which, fuck, they're pretty much the same pair. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. We can go through the pairs. Let's go through them. Our viewers were fucking popping before, and now we've absolutely shit ourselves. All right, let's start her off. Euro, New Zealand. How much money have you make? About $1 trillion. All right, Euro, New Zealand. We are at resistance currently. So, slowly coming back down. We have, I would really like to see this pop a little bit more. Very sad we didn't get another trade up here. Obviously, there wasn't enough movement to get another one. If we got another trade up at last week's high, we would be out. Can't break through last week's low. Struggling. We need some more movement. So, we are slightly extended and we are coming down. Highly doubt we're going to break through these levels today or tomorrow. I mean, CPI usually affects everything. So, you know, if we get some catastrophic news, pray either way. I don't give a shit. We've been in this one since not last Friday, the Friday before. So, you know, a week and a bit we've been in this one. Hopefully we can get out of this shortly. If not, that's okay. Would be nice to trickle on up to last week's high, come back down. Do we have New Zealand dollar news this week? No, more Aussie dollar. It's a good GDP for the pound, but it's probably not going to do fuck all. That's at 8. Not much we can do about this one. Just wait. No Euro and no New Zealand dollar news this week, so fuck me. Euro CAD. Obviously, we'll probably get some movement today on the CAD. We are slightly coming back down. Just been sideways for fucking days on this one. We're in 3, so off of this extension. See, this is what I would have liked to see on Euro New Zealand. So we popped up off of this Euro spike, popped up again. Didn't quite get out of this. We definitely could have and definitely should have, but we did not. So gone up again. Got another trade short. Not much exposure on this one, so we're kind of chilling. We are at the top half between last week's high and last week's low. CAD might push today off of CPI. Just gonna have to wait and see. Just gonna have to wait and see. If we get some oil news, obviously CAD might go a bit fucking crazy too, so yeah. Not much to do there. We're not sitting in much drawdown. 0.23%. Pound US dollar. Up at last week's high. We broke through twice. Couldn't quite make it out though. We've come back through last week's high. We've not respected that whatsoever. I would even think about, I'm not going to do it. I'd say I'll put a manual on, but fucking CPI. So, we will probably wait. We'll wait. We're just going to wait and everything. Wait for fucking CPI to hit tonight. Pound CAD, it's going to look exactly the same. I'm not even going to look at it. Euro pound. I like this one. Got strong levels down the bottom here. Strong lows that we just have not been able to break for quite a while. So we're coming down to these levels now. Just entered another long off of this swing here. Pullback. I would have liked to have gotten a little bit more of a move because we will most likely, we've just gap filled on the hour. I wouldn't be surprised if we just come straight back up, gap fill here. Last week's low, flop around here potentially on the euro pound. We do have GDP this week for the pound though, so that will have most likely quite a shift in direction. Where are we going? Up or down? Who fucking knows? We'll have to wait and see. US dollar CAD, this is all our new positions now. US dollar CAD, fucking go back here. Let me have a look at the chat real quick. Actually, I'll come back to chat in just a second. US dollar CAD. We got on this one last night / this morning. So extension, reversal started, lower time frame. We came back down, didn't quite take TP. I fucking should have. Who cares? I honestly should have been paying more attention to the US dollar pairs. Fucking Iraq. So now we're back up to break even. Again, fuck knows which way this is going off of CPI. Euro US dollar, we've already looked at that. Pound odd and pound New Zealand. I'm pretty sure we just got into them. Where are you? Yep. We just got into these. So pound odd. So as you were saying, someone was saying on fucking pound yen, they were going short. So pretty much the exact same swing off of the pound. Got some pretty good strength on it. We've had a little bit of a pullback. Got in. EA's got us in. Take profit there. Getting down to here won't be too hard. Down to last week's high. We're halfway through it, which is, I mean, that wouldn't even be a 50% retracement on this move. I don't particularly like using fibs on lower time frames, but we can still look. In between 23 and 38. So it's pretty good. We'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, it's a single position. We don't really give a shit about those. We just wait. If we scale in, we scale in. If we don't, we don't. And the exact same. There's no point in even looking at that pound New Zealand. So, yes, those are all the pairs. US dollar CAD's actually got some, got a few resistance levels we could utilize here. We could have like an M pattern reversal, but again, this is not going to get respected due to CPI, most likely not. So we'll wait and see. That sounded super seedy. So yeah, these are the figures for the month and my current trades and everything. If you want to look at them, my money has been blacked out. So this is a dashboard that I coded. So this has all your open positions. It's linked to the trade section in MT4, and it basically just displays them all on a dashboard, which gives you your percentage drawdown, lots, trades, and it will say, like, let's just say Euro New Zealand we're down 0.38%. Let's just say, I don't know, $3.80, right? Let's just do that. I don't know. It'll say that there, and then the other one, let's just say it's fucking $4.20. It'll say that there. So it displays all of your positions that you have open. And if it's just one, it has one. Total, it will have the total figure, and it shows the total position size as well. And obviously the profit shows it there also. This was a bitch to make. And yeah, calculates everything. Meow. His name's Robert Jarrett, the owner of the resort group. Mad. Made his first 1 million at 16, 17, selling products in Spain with no high school education whatsoever. That's pretty sick. Whenever you pull up that dashboard, I get scared. Bro, same. I have to look at it like 17 times before I pull it out. Like, literally. That's funny. Okay. We got a few things to go through. Sorry. Is it easy? Not particularly. Because people are greedy. What's up, Tom? Hey, bro. I make like 1,500 in the gold today, bro. Nice. Good job, Eric. Good job. What's the best platform for someone to have Bitcoin? I don't know. You're asking the wrong person, Amber. Sorry. You got a cord? Yeah, Discord's linked to my bio. I also have a mentorship. Dot followed, thank you very much. Jesse followed, thank you very much. It's all business this morning, innit? What up, Colin? Yeah, it is, absolutely. Nah, fuck it, we're chilling. Oh, I need this headache to go away. Time to full port into troll, you're welcome. Yeah, probably not. What do you think about FX Alex G? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Holy shit, I can't believe that actually happened. Were you here earlier when I said that? Were you here earlier? Surely you fucking were and heard me. He's a scammer, right? And I fucking accidentally, I just stumbled across this video of a guy who breaks it down very well. And his name is Tom. Go watch this video. Go watch this video. Exposing Alex Gonzalez again. It is so easy to fake everything, right? So easy to fake everything. Go watch it. Why is this so quiet? Amar, thank you for following me. 4KT, thank you very much for following me. 4KT, 4 Carat Vicky. That's what it is. Meow. Yes, Mr. Tom, which pair? Oh, I'm pretty sure I just went through all of that. Do you own a Rolex and a Lambo like the other TikTok traders? No, I do not. I am not. I say this in my masterclass video as well, in my mentorship. I'm not some fucking trillionaire Dubai core seller. I am a guy who's traded for a very long time, and I have a profitable strategy. Which platform is this? MetaTrader 4. Looks like TradingView. No, it's MetaTrader 4. No, it drives a 2010 Toyota Yaris. Yeah. And a Casio. I like watches, and I was actually, it's kind of cringe, but I was actually looking at getting a Rolex potentially, but it's just not on the top of my list. Like, and it wouldn't be for fucking, it'd be for flexing. Like, let's be honest, it'd be for flexing, but not on the fucking internet. Just people are like going out, not like fucking, oh, yeah, you can do this with trading, bro. You know what I mean? I used to be a big jewelry guy though, but it was bad. Like, I had fucking gold diamond rings, gold fucking chains, gold bracelets. Yeah, bro, it was fuck. But I just got rid of it all because it just wasn't my thing anymore. Went from Toyota Yaris to Urus. I like that. I like that. Miguel, thank you very much for following me. Daily Filecoin notification. Shit is struggling today. Thank you very much for the Filecoin notification. Is it? What's going on? Lamau, when was your last heart attack? In about 5 years. BBAI missed earnings was 0.0. Bro, I don't look at... I don't even know what that is, to be honest. It's like a stock or some shit. Thank you guys again for following me. Which platform is best for Bitcoin? Ew, get this shit out of my ears. I don't know. Any platform, really. All the platforms are going to be pretty much the same. Obviously, a few different things, but are you looking to... Are you like wanting long-term Bitcoin holding or intraday? What are you trading? Currencies. Go get a classy fossil watch for less than $1,000. Yeah. Probably not. What are you trading? Did I just answer that? I feel like I answered it, or I answered it in my head. Forex, currencies. Tier of the Sticks, thank you very much for following me. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Dude, I'm not even kidding. I have torn my fucking apartment apart looking for my wallet, and I was like, bro, I just cannot find it. I haven't found it for fucking, I haven't seen it for days. And my mate just texted me, oi, so I've somehow ended up with your wallet. That's funny as fuck. Fossil watch. Shut the fuck up, brokey. Nah. We talk like that to the people in Kick. We don't do the cross-platform because they can't, you know. Madman Comet, thank you very much for following me. How are we looking on followers? We gotta be crawling slowly up to that 5K. Surely. Oh. You know what that was called? ICT traders. That was that move. I mean, I thought you were going to say the wallet was on your floor. Nah. You alright? Average trader, yeah. Dude, just tuned in. That's funny. Nah, your reaction called him a brokey. Get the AP out real quick for the viewers. Oh, fucking AP. Lol. Also, hey, Kick Bud, nothing wrong with having some modesty. Don't need to flex hard all the time. Yeah, we're all good. Everything's all sweet. Me on market open with my SMC. Hey, kind sir, what up, Brock? How are we? How are we? It's been a bit of a fucking... Bro, today's been hectic. Okay, haven't sent me anything. I was worried you had. What's going on here? This fucking thing, couldn't even type. What are you trading? Currencies. I have a drinking game for you. Oh dear lord. What is it? Take a Jaeger bomb every time you have to answer currencies. That's pretty funny. That's actually pretty funny. I would be very, very, very drunk. Wendy, thank you very much for following me. It literally says it in the title, I'm pretty sure, on TikTok, that I trade Forex. Good mate, good. Aussie dollars pumping, took out my highs. Is it pumping? Fucking rate cuts. The fuck's it pumping on? What do you mean it's pumping? Pumping or dumping? I'm on 5 minute. Aussie dollar, US dollar? So I'm pretty sure that's what you trade. At 2 today. What time is it? 8. 6 hours ago. Which would be... around 7? I mean, yeah, it's pretty typical. That's pretty typical. For like, if that's what you're talking about. Oh, Euro odd. Yeah, no, the Aussie dollar is dumping because they eventually cut the rates. Euro odd would be pumping most likely. But I think all the euros are. Correct? Or the pounds? It was the pounds. Strong pound. Sorry. Fuck. Yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, makes sense. Rate cut. Aussie dollar goes crazy. Drinking game, pint of absinthe every time XRP or gold gets mentioned. I like that one. I like that one. Yeah, no, we would we'd be dead by the end of the by the end of the stream. We'd be fucking dead. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, that one. Yeah. LMFAO. Yeah, dude, no fucking way. Yeah, well, were you aware they were gonna cut the rates, bro? Gotta pay attention. If not, if you were, probably should have expected this one. If not, I mean, I guess you're still new, so it's alright. No, woke up at 2, said it yesterday. Oh yeah, fuck. So I should have looked before. Yeah. I cut rates at 2:30. We probably would have had time, but yeah, still. Okay, it's whatever. Hopefully he didn't get too wiped out, but these things happen. Yeah, just try staying on top of the, you know, the big ones. Got CPI tonight, that'll be a big one. El Riz invited to co-host. Shit, how do I even do that? Oh no, it just says he's live. Okay, no, we're good. Friend is live. Yeah, fucking hell. Got a bit on. Fuck, I'm hungry, man. I'm so hungry. Fuck! Yeah, I should have looked before. Yeah, this week's crazy. I can't sleep in trades this week, to be honest. Sleep in? We do have employment. I mean, they just cut the rates. I've had I'm pretty sure 3 rate cuts this year. One, two, three, yeah. 3rd rate cut. 3, sorry. Crazy. Sleep on the trades this week. Yeah, oh, right, yep. Yeah. Theogracius Jackson. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Thank you very much for following me. Interesting. Anyway, how's today been? How's life? It's a fucking bit slow tonight. We've got a tier 3 flare on. We've got fucking 16 people in here, so it's not doing fucking too good, to be honest, in terms of viewers. But today's been alright. It's been fucking so busy, man. So busy. That's why I was late. I was fucking 10 minutes late. So I was just fucking flat out, but it's alright. It's alright. I almost John Wicked some guy today. I was so mad, bro. I was on the balcony. I shouldn't have done this. This is just fucking stupid, but I was on the balcony and there was a guy down below, and I just heard this like weeping, squealing from a dog. And I was like, what the fuck? And this junkie was just going nuts. He grabbed his dogs you know, I'm pretty sure he was like squeezing their necks and shit. I was like, fuck this. I waited for a couple of minutes and then I was like, fuck, do I go down there? Do I not go down there? And he disappeared off fucking down here. And so I was like, fuck this, I'm going down. So I went down, tried to look for him, and then couldn't find him. It was very stupid of me. Very stupid. But, I don't know, I was just so mad, bro. I was so mad. Who the fuck? And he was screaming at the top of his lungs. Screaming. There's a couple other buildings there. I could see, you know, everybody like came out, was on their balconies looking at it. It was fucked. Like, bro, and the sounds the dogs are making is just fucking, bro. So yeah, almost John Wicked him. You're fired. We don't tolerate tardiness. John Wick, you stole car and killed his dog. Baba Yaga, yeah, Boogeyman. I was mad, bro. I hate that shit. Fucking putrid humans everywhere. But apparently I spoke to someone down there. Apparently he walked into one of the buildings, so they got the number of the building manager or some shit, and I don't know, so they were gonna call him or some shit. I was just like, yeah, whatever. What's that gonna do? How do you learn how to trade? Lots of research, mentorships, courses, fucking did the entire Baby Pips course, years of watching the charts, looking into macroeconomics, watching how it moves off of certain news events, and I ended up getting a pretty good mentor. So, yeah, that's pretty much how I learnt. And I'm still learning, always. There's always new things to learn with this, and you got to adapt to market conditions very regularly. So, yeah. How'd you learn how to trade, motherfucker? Yeah, let's switch it on you. I think I need to start posting more videos on YouTube. I haven't posted one for like 2 months. I think I should. Yeah, I probably should. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Let me go to this VPS back. Thank you, Butchie Boy, for liking. I learned trading through licking my Mac until the candles started printing in my favor. That works. That works. We love that. We absolutely love that. Fucking how'd we jump up to 45 people? How does that fucking make sense? We'll take it. We'll take it. Gotta get the comedy clips on YouTube. Oh, fucking Jesus. Let's not do that. Nah, I don't know. I just don't know what to fucking post, man. Like I say everything on stream. Everything someone wants to know, I talk about it. However, I do get quite a bit of exposure when I post a YouTube video. However, my last YouTube video did fucking terribly. Absolutely fucking awful. And I'm not surprised either. It was a bit of a test. It was kind of shit. Yeah, terrible. 704 subscribers on YouTube. We're almost, if you're not following, make sure you follow me. We're almost at 5,000 followers. We're very close. I think we're less than 100 away. I'm going to have to, maybe I'll put a follower goal up and people will see it and be like, oh, maybe I'll follow this guy, help him out. We're 57 people away from hitting 5,000 followers. Which I'm fucking excited about, not gonna lie. It's exciting. So if you're not following, just hit the follow button. It's free, motherfuckers. America is waking up. Yeah, probably. Be a bit early, but yeah. It's because you're not trading gold. Literally, dude. I just got to sit on the gold charts. Got to sit on the gold charts and XRP. Bro, imagine the viewers we would fucking get, right? Imagine the viewers we would get if we only traded fucking XRP or gold. That's probably why the homie, Daniel, has like a fucking billion followers. Like, it's fucked. React to TJR bound to get some views, and you do have some opinions on SMC, so only W's in my opinion. Oh, fucking bro, I'm not taking on their community. Jesus Christ. They are, like, his community is a bunch of fucking psychopaths. Right, that's 2 pints of absinthe. 3 pints, 4 pints. Fuck off. Free 99 or Bitcoin. 3.99. What's that? Or Bitcoin? Everyone loves gold in the crypto. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. It's like, do I jump on? Oh, why doesn't everyone love this? Do I need to jump on the fucking gold and crypto shit? Do I need to stop trading currencies and fucking trade gold? I'll never stop trading currencies, but also trade gold. Do like an ORB on gold. Could do that. Big John, thank you very much for the follow. Appreciate it. Oh, you know what I was meant to do too? Fuck, I forgot. There we go. Now we look cool. Mm-hmm. Why am I looking at the fucking reflection? There we go, that'll do. Oh, you fuck! Whatever. Can't be fucked. Yo, please don't jump on the crypto bandwagon for hype. Nah, I won't. Probably won't. Okay, well, just stopping in to drop a like in the morning. Thank you. Gotta run and do some pre-market stuff. All sweet. Welcome and thank you. 1 sec, just changing the green screen. Yeah. Literally. Fuck. Lads, it might be an early one tonight. The viewers are really not viewing. It's pretty bad. Like, it's actually pretty fucking bad. Like, I don't even know. I might go fucking... I might even just have a break. Let TikTok reset. We only got 2 minutes left on our tier 3 flare. Howard's given us like virtually no views. I don't fucking know, man. Some bullshit. But that's okay. It's probably, I mean, someone's liking right now, but we're at 5.5k likes, which is very, very, very little for us. Very little for us. Matt 1.3, Jack 648, Dean 593, Dean 541, Leon 410, Casco 228. Embodiment of Shoya 163, Crushner Julian 152, Kane 129. Thank you guys at least for swinging us some likes. And the gifts haven't fucking been there today either. We got like nothing. So, not surprised. TikTok doesn't want to give us any fucking views. Let's see. Let's see what tier are we in? Let's just go on this one. Check the tier. Popular live. Why doesn't it tell me what fucking... I'm in D1. Yeah, see, that's shit. God damn it. Fuck. Oh, well. Ollie, thank you very much for following. I'd like more, but I'm driving. No, you're good. You're good. Most of your shares. No stress, bro. No stress. Great content, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. I recognize your name, eh? I don't recognize your name. Definitely don't know. You look British. But yeah, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Good morning, part 2. What up, Dan? Can I drop you a message? Of course, bro. Of course. I'll just have to check it after. If I remember. But yeah, should be. Yeah, bro, north of England. You ain't know me yet. Oh, sweet. I've been north England. Everything okay? Me, yeah. It's just we're getting smoked. Smoked on views. Absolutely smoked. So, I think I'm gonna fucking... Fucking hell. I think, what do we need for today? I actually don't know. Oh, 2 hours, 20 minutes. So we need another 40 minutes. What's the time? We can do that. We can do that. 1,600 minutes of views too, which we can probably do in 40 minutes. We should be right. We should be right. Ollie, thank you for the rose, bro. Appreciate that. Allow in 6 days, we can do that. 10k minutes of views, maybe. Fuck, 35 average concurrent viewers in a live. We had 28 yesterday. That's shit. One short video, we'll get that. 5,500 diamonds, we're not getting that. His co-host for 60 minutes, not getting that either. What does this give us? These tier 1s or tier 2s? Yeah, I finally fixed my AC condenser in the car. Oh, fuck, they're annoying. Just in time for the heat wave. Lucky. Very lucky. What is this? Cyber City theme. I like this because I love Cyber City. Like the whole, you know, Cyberpunk 2049 fucking vibe. But I'm not going to use this because it's kind of, you know, fruity. What do we got here? This is definitely a tier 1. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go have a dart because this is fucking shit. Okay. Okay, buddy. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. So it will suit you well. What do you mean? Fuck. I'll be back in a couple of minutes, motherfuckers. Make sure you like the stream. I want 500 more likes by the time I get back. Because we're getting fucking smoked on viewers. It sucks. Like, TikTok, hello. Fuck. We're back. Thank you for the likes, whoever's giving me them. Motherfuckers, how bad are the viewers? 5. Yeah, that's pretty fucked. That's pretty bad. Oh, wow, so laggy right now. Is it always this laggy? Is it always this? Like this? Why are we on like fucking 5 FPS? The fuck? This is not 30 FPS, motherfuckers. The fuck? That's going up, lads. We're at resistance, so maybe not. Oh, C.6, thank you very much for following on Kick. I appreciate that. Are you new? No. No. You're not. Oh? I don't know. What up? If the boy's some loving his sad beans. I'm not sad. I'm not. We're just getting fucking smoked by TikTok for not having any fucking viewers. Give us. We're calm. It's all good. It's Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. We're relaxing. We're gonna have a big night tonight. After stream. Oh, it's probably that. It's probably fucking that. Wouldn't be surprised. Ah, oh, yeah. I don't think, unless we get some more people jump in, I'm probably gonna get off. What's going on after stream? I got heaps of shit to do. You're using a different VPS, man. You said your main one is good. Yeah, this one, my other one's good. One of them's not working though. I spoke to them, but they gave me the same fucking response as everyone else in the, I haven't checked it in a while, but are they still fucked? Cause that is not good. I'll try skim out like a fucking, skim out a free month or some shit from them. Cause that's so bad. VPSs shouldn't do that. And it's the first time this has ever happened to me. Oh, has it happened before? It might have, not that I can remember, but yeah, I don't know. Can't remember, but 2 up, 1's down. But yeah, as you can see, main one's fine, which is good. Otherwise, yeah, I probably would have gone fucking psycho. But there's not a whole lot going on anyway. For me, at least. I don't know how you're doing. If you're already up 10% this week? The fuck? I presume that's manuals. That's fucking nuts. Fucking hell. That's crazy. Good job. I've only done 0.8 in the last good 2 days this week, so I'm chilling, but that's normal. It's pretty decent actually for, that's good, I'll take that. But last week was slow, just because of that fucking, I'd be up probably to maybe 4% for the month. Yeah, probably 4%, 5% for the month if it wasn't for that fucking drawdown control I did. But you can just log in on, like, not on a VPS and look at all your trades still. As long as you don't have auto trading on, you can just log in on your desktop or whatever. I probably should have put that into the chat. But yeah. We're getting railed over here with views, so I'm probably gonna get off in a second. But no, good job. Absolutely killing it. It's fucking crazy. What have you been taking? Like, what trades have you been taking? I can check my fucking emails too, actually. Don't open them here. When did I send that email? Send that. Oh, 6:20. I won't get a reply till tomorrow. Fuck. Let's have a look-see. Nice. Fucking big lot sizes. Holy shit. Are you using stops? Fucking hell. I mean, this is... that scares me. The big ones. US dollar Swiss. Fucking hell. Euro Swiss too. This is what that scares me, because this is what happened with Lucas. Lucas was just fucking sending it with 0.2 lot sizes and got in a bit of trouble. Only on big pullbacks. Yeah, just be obviously, you know, just be careful. But I mean, yeah. I don't know why I'm telling you that. Thank you, Alex, again for following me. Man, it's working out. That's fucking crazy. I don't know if you want me to say the number, but for the week, fucking already, Turbo Tuesday, that's pretty crazy. Good job. Great job. Oh, damn. Yeah, okay. Count's getting bigger, but I love to see that. I love to see that. What's that in percent? 12, okay. Depends how much risk you have, I guess. Brought my computer to work today. Way nicer than using the mobile for the lunch break scalps. Oh, 100%. You get just such a bigger picture, eh? Yeah, 100%. Probably a smart idea. Trades that EA placed before the outage. I've added a few. When did it happen? Must happen when I was fucking asleep. You got into 12% from... Have you adjusted your Risk. I think I asked this. I don't remember what you said to it though. About changing it from 1% to 0.25%. I don't know if you change that because that's a hefty drawdown. I mean, 12% isn't that much, but if that's just from the outage. Fuck, this music sucks. Turning it off. No, I dropped it, then put it back. Wait, so it's back to 1%? Yeah, those lot sizes are fucking huge. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're probably too big. But I mean, you know, I don't need to say anything. You know the risks and everything. Fuck, man. Good job, though. Good job. It's gonna have to be. See you later, Colin. Thank you very much for tuning in, coming and talking some shit. I appreciate it. You have a fantastic day today. Can I do that? .3. Fucking hell. Yeah, I agree. At least you're conscious that, you know. Yeah, that's fucking nuts. It's crazy. But like, you gotta pick the threshold, you know, or pick the number that you're happy with, and understand that you might not get there if it gets too, you know. Begnai Barn, thank you very much for following me. Tom, I've never asked this. What's the difference of hedging and netting in your one words? Hedging and netting. Netting. Why have I never heard that term before? When I feel like I should have. I know what hedging is, but... I don't know what netting is. I'd have to watch like a detailed video on netting. I don't know what it is. Bro, What the fuck is this music? I can talk about hedging though, because I used a hedging strategy for quite some time. It was in the trading for a demo account. Wait, I'm gonna double check. Yeah, it was correct. Hedging and netting. What's the trading for a demo account? Call it micro chart analysis before adding the bigger lots. Yeah, risky. I know one thing the millionaires have in common. Yep, got to take risks. You have to, and at least there's some calculations behind it. You know, it's calculated risk. It's not just random shit. So yeah. Hedging and netting. I honestly don't even know what netting is. I'd have to look into it. Hedging, however, I can explain my old strategy and why I used to hedge. And sometimes it would suck. Sometimes hedging sucks. This strategy, right? So you could use a hedging strategy with the way that I trade, right? However, with hedging, and it works, with hedging, you're going to be in a lot of drawdown, right? You're going to be in a lot of drawdown because you're always in positions, So let's just say, fuck, how do I even explain this? I'm not even going to get it. This one will just be too complicated. Let's just do this. Fuck, that's a terrible example today. Maybe the DAX. All right, let's give this a crack. See if I can explain this in a good way. Foundation to learn from you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. I've also got something for you guys. I was testing, I'm actually, for the indices, I'm testing some shit that it's probably going to take a while, but I might get out to you. I don't know. I probably won't talk about it just yet until I'm 100% on doing it. But I've got something else which I can probably give you guys like a free month and offer like a free month to everyone that joins and shit. Which is bad because I've talked so much shit about it, but helps you guys out, helps me out. We all win. So, yeah. I'll talk about that a little bit later. I'm just in communication with some shit and see if we can get it sorted. So, hedging, right, on an opening range breakout for the indices. So, this is market open, right? This candle right here, market open. So, can't zoom in anymore, which is annoying, but that's okay. So, what we would do is through specific calculations, I'm not going to go through the entire fucking thing, but for specific oh, what the fuck? We would have a buy and a sell for pre-market, right? And this would be based on percentages and everything. Again, I'm not going to go into it, but usually what happens when the market opens is there is an influx of either sellers or buyers, right? So it usually goes in one direction. As you can see right here, we've gone short, right? So we've had a pretty big short day. This damn, we probably would have just got clipped on this and hedged it. But if we didn't have this tiny movement, this would have been a clean break and making a shitload of money, right? However, so if we got a clean break, right, we have buys going long and shorts going short. So when it breaks out of this range, right, which would be this pre-market range, we would take a sell. And instead of using stop losses, we hedge it. So what we would do then, in this case, is how we take advantage of the hedge. So we're short. We've got like a shitload of movement down. What we would do is we would take our sells off and let our buys run up until either this pre-market range, sorry, that was terrible, after this pre-market range has been filled, so we'd get out at break even, right? We could do that. However, if we didn't want to do that, because that's basically our risk there, right? If we didn't want to do that, we could wait for the pullback and then hold it until we get another retracement back down and try and get out with profit. So, but if we don't, right, we could just get a continuation down and, you know, eventually it's going to come back up, but you never know. You never really know. This is when scalping happens, and it's just, bro, it fucking sucks. This is one of the reasons why I stopped trading the indices as well, is it's so time consuming having to basically stare at this when you're in a hedge and try and get out of it. So sometimes I'd be hedged and I'd be on fucking, so when was open? 4 hours ago, I could still be staring at this 4 hours later, right? So it can be good, it can be bad, right? So if we didn't have this tiny little wick here, we could have caught a completely clean break done. You can use stop losses on opening range breakout strategy too. So, you know, you've got your sells there, you've got your buy there as pending orders, and whichever one it hits first, it will automatically place the stop loss at the other side of the range, of the pre-market range, and then basically if it goes up, stops you out, whatever. If it doesn't, we got clean range to the downside. We usually set like a 5R target, so we'll put, what I used to do was have a 2R target, so, and 2 positions on, so I'd have 2 sells, 2 buys, and then set a 2R target, take off one of the positions, and let the other one run to 5R. And then if we didn't get hedged, we'd be clean done. And I would have a trailing stop start at 2R as well. I've done so much unbelievably fucking back testing on indices and everything with that strategy. Made quite decent amount of money on it too. It's just so time consuming. But yeah, so hedging is basically just buying and selling, putting pending orders in and waiting for the direction that it's going to go in, right? And if you're stuck in a hedge, you basically just wait till one of them's at a position that there might be a pullback out of, and then you just cut off the shorts and let the longs run back up, try and make some money. Another bra, keen to hear what you've been cooking. We're working hard over here. Bro, news now, sell or buy. It's not news now, it's news in a while. 10:30. Is there anything now? No. On what? Yeah, it's no news now. Alex, thank you again. C, thank you for following me. Appreciate it, Tom. All good. Hey, Mr. Good Digital Footprint. Fuck! What up? B, how are you? What's been happening? It's good to see you back. I was fucking around looking at the indices today. FTSE would have been nice. But yeah, it's basically a 30% chance of it going long, 30% chance it's going short, and 30% chance it's going to go sideways in the long run. So you should have 66% statistical advantage over the markets. It's just where to get your entries, where to take exits, where to put stops if you're going to hedge, trailing stops. There's lots to go into it. Lots and lots to go into it. I'm good. How are you going, Tommy? I'm pretty good. Pretty good. Hello, sir. Long or short? Mr. Cash, what up? BDC. What's BDC? Sorry, I was looking at TikTok chat. I don't know if you're even still in here. And long or short on what? Got it, Tom. Oh, sweet. Have you ever just had really good luck on a buy-in? Like, you fluked it? Not really. Like, I usually, you know, everything is pretty calculated. However, you know, my biggest trade ever, which was the US dollar yen one, it was lucky. My entry I got was lucky, you know. Are we November 2023? So this move here, this is a daily chart too. This is a fucking enormous move. Almost 12,000 points. So I got in fucking right up the top and went short for a fuck around trade, trying to catch the intervention, and they intervened like instantly. So I got lucky on that. That is luck. Fuck. Aaron, hello. Bro, that Euro odd, that hit TP, absolutely nailed it. Second it hit, massive retracement. Which one? This one? Buy or sell on what? Now. Buy or sell, bro. But I don't know. I don't know what the figures are for CPI, so I got no idea, bro. Like, is this like gambling? It can be if you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Absolutely. Have you said how big money that trade? No. No, not at all. Yeah, I get, like, if you don't know what you're doing, you can very much be gambling. The 0.2 I sent you, the 0.05 was EAS at TP 100 above the yeah, it's a pretty good one. Decent, yeah. We'll take it. Simon, thank you for following me. Moodbit, thank you for following me. CPI, buy or sell for gold. Hello. I really feel like we're going to get a mixed bag on CPI, to be honest. I really do. I mean, it's predicted a mixed bag. Yeah, I don't know. It's it's a hard one to predict what the fuck's gonna happen. I don't know. Erica, thank you for following me. Have you had any lost days lately? Yeah, on the fucking the first of the month, I took a loss for a couple of hours, and then I fucking Udi and No Label. Thank you guys very much for following me. We are coming close to 5,000 followers. Yeah, on the first we had a lost day, but we're already back. So I think I got the majority of it back. I think I took off like 2% of the drawdown that I was in. Lost Soul, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, we took off about 2% of the drawdown, 2 or 3. Oh no, I think it was like 3%, and then we made a shitload off of NFP. So I just wanted to reduce my risk before NFP because we were in a bit of drawdown and I was speculative. You know, you never really know which way it's going to go. So I just prepared for that, and it ended up working out in our favor. And you know, we made pretty much all of the loss back within a couple of hours of me getting rid of it. The Ace Joker, thank you very much for following. Jesus. Hey, I hope you're well. I've just longed oil from 64.02. Thoughts? I have never traded oil in my life, not gonna lie. Never traded it. Man, no idea. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how it reacts to anything. I don't know how it reacts to anything. I don't pay attention to it. I don't look at it. Yeah, I'm not too sure, mate. I apologize. It's not my forte whatsoever. What up, Ace Joker? Fair enough, mate. Fair enough. Well, thanks for looking, pal. No, all good. Sorry, I can't help you out with that one. Oil's not my thing. We will play 442. Thank you very much for following. I'm new to it. I see a lot of holds though. What do you mean holds? God, we got a lot of fucking followers in like 2 seconds. That was weird. That was very weird. Let's see where we're at follower wise. Oh, I wanted to watch that actually. Fuck, 33. Oh damn. Have we, I think we completed our, fucking turn this shit off, our tasks for today. We're about to. So I was like so far out of fucking camera view. Mister, thank you very much for following. I wonder if this is one that... Okay. We got a little bit of time on that. We'll wait. Wait around, talk some shit for a little bit more. One's Miss Kyoko. Thank you very much for following me, mister. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the follow. We're crawling up to the 5K. I'm excited. I'm gonna have to go. Fuck. Do I have time? I have to go soon. Where's the apartment, mate? You want the address or something? Unit number? I live in Brisbane. What are you looking at today? Yeah, no, you're good. Yeah, Brisbane. Just all currencies. I trade... I trade 18 different currencies concurrently, so... There's a lot to go on. Somewhat predicted a mixed bag. There isn't such a large discrepancy in the numbers that are coming out. It's so tight that we don't know. Like, we got absolutely fucking no clue. This could go either direction. It's one of the ones where you probably just, you know, take cautiously. Deployment's something I'm interested in. However, but yeah. We might just get a whipsaw off of this today. Who knows? Depending, it just really depends on the figures. Lots of people are asking, man. It's really hard to know what we're gonna get. Rizmas. What up, D's nuts? Can you look at Euro USD, please? Yeah, sure. I'm in Euro USD. Oh, US dollar cards. Popped. Yeah, I can see us getting up to last week's high. There may be some positioning at the moment for speculation on which way we're going to head. Holy mother of all gaps, what the fuck is this? Is that from NFP? Still? Ah. Looks like a little bit of strength is coming into the US dollar. Not on Euro US dollar though. All the other ones kind of seem to be... Just give me a second. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. Could be just lots of people positioning themselves for potential CPI movement. Euro USD, I'm long on this, but you know, we're smack bang in the middle of last week's high and last week's low. You know, just not a whole lot going on. We still got this gigantic gap from NFP that might want to be filled eventually, so we could see some movement back down, but I don't know. Possibly not. I don't know, we'd need some strength to get us back down to here. I'm long on it anyway. I'd probably rather not be long on this, to be completely honest. But I'm not opposed to it, you know. Strategy is a strategy. But yeah, I'd probably rather be short on this. But if we come, I mean, shit. You know, if we come down here, that's fine. I'm scaling into this. Waiting for a pullback, which will inevitably happen. So we're chilling. But yeah. X. Put. Up. Oh, fucking headache. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll stay for 5 more minutes. If you got any other questions, let me know. Join the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Join the mentorship if you actually want to learn how to trade and be a successful, amazing, chiseled jawline, gorgeous human. Get stuck into it. Come on. Get with the fucking program. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? I did get that money. Alright, you guys got a couple minutes. Actually, who did... Has anyone jumped in the Discord today? I don't even think I've like mentioned it at all. One person. Fuck, are we at 500? We got 10 more till we hit 500 too. That's kind of lit. I just have not been pushing it at all. Pull back. On what? What are we talking about? Breaking support? What the fuck are we talking about? It's like, what are you... What? CPI buy or sell, brother? Dude, I don't know. I don't have the figures. Can't make a call on which direction it's going if you don't have the figures. Gold, I don't trade gold. Currencies. Currencies, and we can look at indices. Why as soon as I go to fucking jump off, a bunch of people jump in? Like, come the fuck on. TikTok knows. TikTok fucking knows. They know. They know when you're getting off, because then they just pump your viewers a bunch. It's ridiculous. Like, what the fuck? Anyway, TikTok devs know. Yeah, they do, bro. Literally, I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna get off in a couple of minutes. Here's fucking 60 viewers. Are you fucking kidding me? They just know. They have to. Well, if you're new here, what up? If we get every single person in here to follow me, we will hit 5,000 followers right now. So hit the fucking follow button. Help your boy out, all right? We're fun over here. So, gold. No, I don't trade gold. Sorry. We can look at gold, but I'm going to give you absolutely zero insight into it. Actually, here, I'll give you some insight. We are going sideways, doing nothing. Support, resistance. Might be a good time to buy. For the, potentially, I don't know. It looks like there's a little bit of US dollar strength pre-CPI. So I don't know. People might be positioning themselves at the moment. I'm not too sure. Are you in a position? Yes, I'm in 16 positions right now. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different pairs. Deary Marble, thank you very much for the ice cream cone. I appreciate that. Thank you. What the fuck? Have we not hit 5,000 fucking followers? We're so close. So close. What site do you trade off as an Aussie? I use MetaTrader 4. It's a program. And I use Black Bull Markets as my broker. Broker is linked to my bio, as well as mentorship and free Discord. I do talk about a lot of it I've got a free 1 hour beginners course on my Discord. Go watch it. Study it. And then join the mentorship if you actually want to fucking learn how to trade. Like a gorgeous man. I think this music's kind of fitting right now. Let's switch it up. Hell yeah, hope you're in the green side, brother. Yeah. Yep. We done a bit over 0.5% today. And we still got CPI, so we might pop off, you know. What up, Sticky? Do you trade military stocks? No, I don't. I do not. Probably would be, yeah. Your music is nice. I mean... Sticky. Yeah, let's turn that shit off. Get it out of my ears. Get it out. Idiot. Idiot. If you're fresh in the background, are you in the States? Nah, I'm in Brisbane, Australia. Alright, yeah. Thank you though. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of fogging up a little bit, but yeah. Incredible view. Where do you think CPI will go in gold? I do not know. We are forecasted for a mixed bag. So we might get a whipsaw. Might get long, might go short. It's literally, I do not have the figures, so it is impossible to predict. There is a prediction for a mixed bag on all CPI figures, so you know, it's very hard to determine. Very hard. I'm good. How are you? I'm fantastic. I'm fan-fucking-tastic, to be honest. Life's good, you know? Life's good. Double bottom, my prediction on gold. Yep, they're powering it up. Double bottom where? Are we talking like super fucking double bottom? Triple? Okay, this song is fucking bad. What is this elevator fucking music? It's impossible to predict. Anyone says that they know which way it's going, they don't. It seems like, however, there is a lot of strain. Wait, has something happened? What the fuck? I mean, I don't trade goals. I got a fucking no clue, but. Thank you very much for following me, Daniel. It's nothing. They're just, seems like a fair bit of strength on the US dollar. It's coming through. So, yep. Positioning themselves for CPI. I mean, just on the end's not really doing fucking shit. Swiss yen? Maybe a little hold up. Something big for the community to the first 5 people to inbox me blessings. How about you can bless on that block, because it's probably a fake account. What are we trading today? I'll get you a nice playlist. I tried currencies. I'll get you a nice playlist. I can only play non-copywritten music, otherwise it'd be so good. My music. CPI coming. Yep. How about Swiss yen? I don't trade Swiss yen anymore. Woo! Gap fill. Come back down. Another gap fill. No idea what the fuck this is gonna do. See what happens with Trump and Putin. See what happens with Trump and Putin. Because if this, you know, if we get a ceasefire on, which probably won't happen, right? Probably won't happen. But if it does, Swiss is going to be pretty weak. We're going to have a lot of money coming out of the Swiss, possibly. We're looking for experienced traders to join our team. What? Jaden, thank you very much for 3 roses. Appreciate it. Experienced traders to join our team. Okay. Peter and Chris, thank you very much for following me. Did I just say that? I feel like I did. Maybe I didn't. X. Thank you for the X. All good. am so happy you got your shirt back. What do you mean? I went outside earlier and it was fucking cold, so chucked the jumper on. Now it's hot. It sucks. Again, if you're not in the Discord, get in the fucking Discord. Come talk some shit. Everyone in there is so unmotivated and can't be fucked doing anything. It's crazy the amount of just unmotivated people there are. It's absolutely fucking insane. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. If you're motivated, get in the Discord. Get in the fucking Discord. Join our team. What's your team? What's your team? Mr. Nick? Matching shirt with your cap. We're going to see trades go up. They're not really. I match it, bruh. Wait till you see the fit. I'm in full comfort mode. Fuck you, I get to work from home. Forever. I never leave. Natapol007, thank you very much for following me. Fuck, we gotta be close, man. We gotta be so close. We gotta be so close. $36 people. We're getting it tomorrow. We're hitting 5,000 followers tomorrow. Shit. The fuck? Can we chat after live stream? Sure. I'm going live for CPI, so after that, all sweet, yeah. No stress. God damn. Of course I'm gonna fucking sell. Oh, maybe. Nah, we're not gonna. When was our last scale in on yours to look cut? What was the distance we scaled? There's no way. No. Although we haven't had much movement. It's fucks, I see ya. Damn it. Oh well. CPI sell? Dunno. Seems like people are getting in positions for sells. So maybe. Let's wait for CPI and John Wick NQ. Yeah. Kyle, thank you very much for following me. Thank you. Guys, I'm going to be back in... I'm going to have to take a 10-minute break. The missus is about to jump on a fucking plane. So... Fuck, do we get off? I'm gonna get off. I might come back live. Alright, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Come talk some shit. If you wanna get one-on-one mentorship from me, join the mentorship. And follow me if you're not following me. We're almost at 5,000 followers. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much, Naz, for the follow. What do you think of gold? I don't trade gold. Currencies only. All right, guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take it easy.